Namaste Vidya, Hamesha Khush Raho Vidya. Myself Dr. Aarti. Today we are going to start with our new topic, that is Wuchereria bankropti or Brugia malayi. Lymphatic filariasis and elephantiasis is a second name. Before starting the topic, I just want to show you some images which you let know the disease, how severity of disease is. A patient of elephantiasis, this is a lag due to filariasis. Elephantiasis due to Brugia malayi, pitting does not occur in this stage. There is a solid non-pitting edema. See, these are having severe dermatitis and secondary bacterial infection because lymphatic obstruction is there. See, there is a hydrocele in Wuchereria bankropti. These all are the picture, the severity of the disease. Now you can see. There is a Cheiluria and Hematuria in the Wuchereria bankropti. What is this? This is a Wuchereria bankropti and Brugia malayi or filarial nematode spread by several species of night-feeding mosquito, causes the lymphatic filariasis, also known as elephantiasis, commonly and incorrectly referred to as elephantiasis. The definitive host is a human. Humans are the definitive host for the worm that causes the lymphatic filariasis. There are no known reservoirs for Wuchereria bankropti. The Brugia malayi has been found in the macaques, leaves, monkeys, cat, and civet cats. The intermediate host is Wuchereria bankropti is transmitted by Culex, Aedes, and Anopheles species. Brugia malayi is transmitted by Anopheles and Mansonia species. Lymphatic filariasis by the numbers. The first we will talk about the epidemiology. It is endemic in 83 countries, 1.2 billion at risk, 120 million people affected, 25 million men suffer from genital symptom, and 15 million people suffer from the lymphedema and elephantiasis of the leg. First, we'll talk about the morphology. It is a sexually dimorphic species. The adult male worm is long and slender, between 4 and 5 centimeter in length and the tenth of the centimeter in diameter, and has a curved tail. The female is 6 to 10 centimeter long and 3 times larger than the diameter than the male. Microfilaria sheeted and approximately 245 to 300 micrometer in length. You can see the life cycle of the Wuchereria bankropti. We will start from the here. Mosquito take a blood meal and release the L3 larva into the skin. In the human, it will convert it into the adult, and these adults goes into the lymphatics. The adult produces the sheeted microfilaria that migrate into the lymph and blood channels. This microfilaria, this larval stage, this microfilaria or juvenile of these adults continuously migrating into the lymph and blood channels. When the mosquito take the second blood meal, the microfilaria shed the sheet and penetrate the mosquito midgut and migrate to the thoracic muscle. Then releases the L1 larva. After 2-time migration, this converted into the L3 larva, and this migrating larva reaches to the proboscis of the mosquito, and mosquito go and fly for the blood meal, second blood meal, and if when it will take the blood meal of healthy individual, again transfer these larvae into the human. Hence the cycle goes on repeatedly. These adult worms are occluding the lymphatics. The symptoms are asymptomatic. Sometimes patient is asymptomatic, hidden damage to the lymphatic system and kidneys are there. But in acute attack, filarial fever is also called, pain and inflammation of lymph node duct, often accompanied by fever, nausea, vomiting, increase with severity of chronic disease. Chronic may cause elephantiasis and hydrocele, swelling of the scrotum in male and enlarged breast in female. The diagnosis is the standard method for diagnosing active infection is the identification of the microfilaria by microscopic examination. However, the microfilaria circulate nocturnally, making blood collection an issue. A CAR test for the parasite antigen requiring only a small amount of blood has been developed. Does not require laboratory equipment. It is a blood drawn by finger stick. Control. As with malaria, the most effective method of controlling the spread of Wuchereria bankropti and Brugia malaria is avoid the mosquito bite. The CDC recommend that sleep under a bed net, wear long sleeve and trouser, and wear insect repellent and on exposed skin, especially at night. The vector control is the only prevention. Covering water storage container and improving the wastewater solid waste treatment system can be help in reducing the amount of standing water in mosquito can laying the egg. Then killing the egg, oviciding and killing the disruptive larva, larviciding in the bodies of stagnant water can further reduce the mosquito population. What is the treatment? Treatment of filariasis involve the two component getting rid of microfilary in people's blood and maintaining careful hygiene in infected person to reduce the incidence and severity of secondary infection. These are the drug of choice of antifilarial drugs. These include the DEC, diethylcarbamazine, and albendazole and avimactine. Thank you. This is all about the Buchereria bankruptcy. I hope you enjoy this session. If any query is there, then please mention it in comment box. Thank you.